Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a product review. It's some ink that I purchased from Mindless Crafting. It's their hybrid ink. It's intense black. And I'm going to be using my little DIY stamping mat, a piece of cardstock, my Stampin' Up! Acrylic block, my Prismacolor marker, and one of their stamp sets. And I'm going to be using the little girl here because I want to see how this will work with my marker. Okay, and I purchased this ink pad. Y'all seen it in my purchase video. I'm giving my honest opinion about the ink, and no, just a disclaimer, I am not getting paid to do this. I do this on my own with many products that I purchase. So let's get the show on the road. And disclaimer, this is not to discredit any company that I test products for. It's just letting you know what I think about the product, and that's it. It's just an honest opinion. Okay? So we're going to put this on my block here. We're going to open up the ink. I'm going to take the ink to the stamp. And just tap, 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 tap. Make sure the ink is all over. Now this is a new ink pad, as y'all saw me remove the plastic from it. So, and to make it a little better, I'm gonna breathe on it. Is to reactivate the ink. And I'm using my little stamping pad that I made so it's easier on me. Let's flip it over. I'm gonna color that one also. I wanted to try something else. I'm gonna try it this way. Just pressing the ink right from the ink pad. And it is really juicy. So I'm gonna again go here and press. Hold my paper. Look how nice and crisp that is. The other one's the same way. I'm gonna just take a piece of paper towel and wipe my ink, and I'm gonna cover my ink pad. I'm gonna wipe some of the ink off of my stamp. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of water to get some more of the ink. Oops, the daisy. Okay, we got that done. I'm gonna remove this from my desk and that from my desk. I'm gonna go in with the marker. I'm gonna color the umbrella. I'm testing to see if it smears in with my marker color. And so far, so good. There's no smearing. It's staying and the ink is staying in its place. It's not blending itself in with my marker. I like the ink. And I just colored right over that ink. I'm gonna zoom y'all in so y'all can see. Whoops. Let's see. I need it to be, there we go. As y'all can see, it didn't smear none of the ink. It stayed true. And, let's see now. I want to try it. Of course, it's going to stay with a color pencil. But I want to try it with something else. I need a different color. I'm going to go in with a Prisma. This one's black. No, I'm not going to do the black one. Let's go for it. Oh, I don't like the way the black marker's turning out. It's turning a little too dark. So I'm gonna try something else. Let's do the bricks, and I'm using a fine liner color pen. It's a felt pen, and it's in the color gray. Let me move my pad here. I like it. I mean, it doesn't move the ink. The ink stays in its spot, as y'all can see here. It didn't move it here. It didn't move it on the blue or the gray. So I would give this ink a 10 out of 10. So I will link the ink and the stamp down below in the comment section. So, you can go on over and try it out for yourself. So, thank you. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment if you haven't already. Please do subscribe. Hit that big red button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload more content or new content. And I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe, be happy, and be blessed. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.